Aloha all, lovely to connect again. So excited in this video to dive deeper with you into the chakra mantras. In the last video I gave you a quick practice of Kundalini Yoga and Reiki, and we did a chakra mantra journey. So in this video we're going to go into a little more depth about what are the chakra mantras, how they benefit us, going a little deeper into each mantra and each chakra, and how chanting these bija mantras can actually affect our health. And as part of that, I wanted to share with you a little research that I did and a little description on the benefits of chanting the chakra mantras. So each chakra has a mantra associated with it. It's known as the bija mantra, also the seed syllable. And they are associated with each energy center. We all have many chakras, and chakras are energy centers that absorb prana and emit prana into our body. That's what maintains and sustains our body's systems, our organs, our vital systems. It's the life force energy that nourishes and engenders the vitality of our body. Yogis intuited these energy centers, and there's been all kinds of research showing these fields of energy in the medical field. We know this as the biofield, that encompass and envelop our entire body and our various organs and vital systems. So each chakra has a mantra and a yantra, a shape, as well as a color. The colors of the 7 major chakras, which is what we're going to be working with in this video, colors of the 7 major chakras are the colors of the rainbow. And they reflect our body, our energy centers, our characteristics and emotional states, and our spiritual self as well. I like to think of it as the chakras really reflect how we are a walking rainbow. And as we chant these mantras, like we chant the Reiki symbols, we are actually affecting so many parts of our being. I want to share with you what I recently researched and discovered. The chakra mantra benefits. To summarize, the benefits of chakra mantras include better emotional and physical well-being. Align the 7 chakras of the body, so it helps to align the energy centers. It promotes energy flow. It helps to restore and promote the flow of energy. Improves mental clarity. Reduces stress and anxiety. Gives you a sense of inner peace, which comes with reducing stress and anxiety, and also promotes better concentration. Now, the part that I really blew my mind was what Google had to say about chanting the chakra mantras. They can be used to create mantras where spoken bijas, which are the mantras, are chanted out loud to resonate with the chakras. These syllables reflect each chakra's essence. So when we chant the chakra mantras, we're in essence chanting each chakra's essence, and it helps to clear and strengthen the associated energy with each chakra. So as we chant each chakra mantra, it helps to clear the associated energies with each chakra. And this was the part that really kind of blew me. Studies show that chakra mantras restore your natural resonant vibration, a state of good health. So let me read that again. Studies show that chakra mantras restore your natural resonant vibration, which is a sign of good health. So, in essence, promotes good health. And studies have shown this. Kind of blew my mind to see that on Google. You can Google it yourself. Chakra mantra benefits or chakra seed syllable mantra benefits, and you'll get the same thing. So let's go into what are the chakra mantras for each one, and let's do a little practice where we chant the chakra mantras. What's awesome about chanting the mantras of the chakras, like chanting any mantras that we might chant, is that we can do it in any way, and we can do it any time of the day, and we can do it out loud or silently. So mantra, the word itself, mantra, is broken down to mean protection of the mind. We chant the mantras to keep our minds from wandering into all the worrying or concerns or getting sucked into media or other people's impressions or ideas. It helps us to stay centered within ourselves. And as I already shared, the benefits are countless. Whether it's the chakra mantras or mantras of the Reiki symbols or mantras associated with various other chants as well that shift and uplift our energy and our physical body and the state of our being and our life. Chanting the chakra mantras is a journey, as I shared earlier, through that rainbow bridge of our being. They also have a shape associated with them, which when you're chanting the chakra mantras, you can meditate on those shapes. You can also meditate on the colors of each chakra. You can have a chart, like I've demonstrated here, that shows you both the colors, the shape, and the bija mantra associated with the chakra. Or you can also just mentally connect with it. The chakra mantras, the bija mantras, are Lam at the root, Vam at the navel, Ram at the solar plexus, Yum at the heart, Hum at the throat, Om at the third eye, and Aum at the crown. I just love that the heart is Yum. It's like the yumness of life, yeah? Our love for life. And hum, we hum with our sound, with our throat, with our voice, yeah? So, Lam, Vam, Rum, Yum, Hum, Om, Aum. You can chant these for 1 minute each, or 3 minutes each, or you can do a round of 3 chants for each chakra, which is what we're going to do. But you can find your own rhythm, your own way with it, and that's really true for anything that I might impart to you. You can find your own sense with it and really feel into what resonates for you and make it your own. That's really true for all of these practices, right? Because these practices are to help engender and enrich our lives. We're not doing these practices for the practices. We're connecting with these practices to enrich us. So we want to make them personal. We want to really have feeling tone around them that really enriches and engenders the practice in a more powerful and resonant way. So get comfortable, feel your sit bones on your seat. Take a deep breath, close your eyes and let out a ha sound. Let all the walls, floors, ceilings, and technology just dissolve into the nourishing presence of the earth. Feel yourself as if you're resting on a tree trunk, your spine reaching up to the heavens, your branches reaching up, tuning into your higher wisdom, your higher self, setting an intention for your practice that you might receive exactly what you need. And again, taking a deep breath and exhaling and releasing. Bring your hands either in Gyan Mudra, thumbs and index fingers touching, which is the mudra of knowledge, of wisdom, or placing your right palm over your left, resting at your lap. And so we'll do this practice with our eyes closed. However, you can chant the mantras anytime, anywhere, silently or out loud, depending on the situation or the place that you're at. So go ahead and close your eyes if you aren't already. Take a deep breath and release. And we'll start with the root chakra mantra LUM. L-A-M, LUM. And as you chant, you want to chant from the hara, from the navel. Yeah? Always chanting from the power center, from the navel center. Breathing in and begin. LUM. 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 Inhale, feel into your root chakra, visualize that vibrant red. Continuing to our sacral chakra, VAM. 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 Visualizing your energy center in perfect balance. Inhale. Continuing with our solar plexus chakra. Rum. 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 Inhale. Sensing that vibrant sun radiating through your solar plexus. Inhale for our next chakra, the heart center. Yum. 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 Inhale. Feeling your heart space filled with that delicious essence of that pure love state, your self-love, your love of life, your love for others, and on. And continuing up to our throat chakra. Inhale. Hum. 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 Inhale. Feeling your voice box vibrant, expressing your truth in the world. Exhale. And continuing with our third eye, our inner knowing, our intuition and guidance. Inhale. Om. 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 Inhale. Feeling that vibrant purple light emanating, radiating, and continuing, completing with our seventh major chakra, our crown chakra, connecting to our higher wisdom, our higher self, and our connection to source, to that primordial presence, all that is. Inhale. Om. 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 Sensing that violet, white light. All of your energy centers rotating in perfect balance. Primal life force flowing. Balanced, resonant vibration, promoting well-being and good health. Take a deep breath. Sensing that rainbow bridge within you, rooted as you're tethered, reaching up to your connection to your higher self, source self, embodied in that flow of grace. Gently opening your eyes. I hope that you benefited from that and feel that nourishment. Of course, you can come back to this at any time and find your own way and connection to these beautiful mantras and your rainbow essence, your rainbow radiance. Till next time, infinite love and blessings your way.